What is up? I'm back with another brand new video, and I got one of my favorite t-shirts on, Black Lives MAGA. Pretty sure you can figure out what that means. As you can see, I'm not in the Stinger today. I am actually at a Kia dealership in South Florida, Rick Case Kia in Sunrise, where my car is somewhere back there. You can't really see it now. I think they already pulled in actually. I'm actually here to finally get something done under warranty that I've kind of been not necessarily putting off, but it's something I've been trying to get done for quite a while. And every time we've tried to get this done, it's always been some kind of obstacle, whether it was schedule conflicts or in the last case, the weather. Like, I know just about a month ago, pretty much all of South Florida was all underwater. There was like a massive storm that came through and pretty much flooded the whole of South Florida, so I had to put that off for a little while. Thankfully, nobody here that I know lost their homes, lost their cars, anything like that. But yeah, I had to put that off for a little while. Plus, things happening at home as well that I had to prioritize. So now I finally got down here to get this taken care of. There's a friend of mine actually works here. He's the one that set this up for me. So I'm getting I don't know the correct word for this, but they're like a trim piece, like the pillars for the back window. I'm gonna, just put the little videos here as well, so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So it goes on the side of the rear hatch, like on the glass. It's like it's like a trim piece that Kia offered like a 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty to have replaced because it just discolored like within months of me owning the car, and it's something that's been highly known of. So they have offered that as a courtesy replacement. So I've been getting that done. I'm also getting its third service done right now. Oil change, tire rotation, just the basics. There is an update that has to be done to it, but that's something I have to do myself when I get home. Just connect the car to Wi-Fi and just do the update myself. Other than that, I really don't have anything really scheduled in terms of what this video is really gonna be about. It's gonna be one of those days where I'm just gonna go with the flow. I'm just gonna spend the day down here. I got got my little loaner, it's a 2020 Kia Sportage. I'm gonna drive that around. I'm gonna go visit some friends that I know out here, and just basically see how the day turns out. I did actually go look at some Stingers here as well, but you know what? Like, I'm not trying to make any financial mistakes right now, because I know because you know how it is. They put you in a loaner, or you come to a dealership to get something done to your car, and a lot of times, because I worked at the dealership myself, a lot of times the customer starts looking at other cars and they end up coming for an oil change and leaving with a brand new car. I'm not trying to let that be me today. So I'm just gonna enjoy the day, just take my loaner around and go visit some friends, get some good food, and just anything just to kill the time while the car is being worked on. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I highly would appreciate it. We're close to 3,000 subscribers right now, so just gotta keep pushing, man, like I said last time. So that being said, I am actually now pulling up to my friend Rob's house. I can see his purple Maxima over here in the damn driveway. About to wake his ass up. Damn when I'm coming, he ain't gonna answer my messages, but he's gonna wake up now, that's for sure. I'm really wondering if there's like a thing with cars that have lowering springs, because these aren't lowering springs just like I am with the Kia. And the back always sits so much lower than the front. I don't get it. You would think the front would be lower because all the weight's there with the engine, but no. Same thing with my car, like his. This is like the biggest love-hate relationship when it comes to getting rentals or loaners or whatever. You got stickers, advertising everywhere. They will never let you flex their vehicles, I swear. Never in your life. You could be driving the most piece of crap car they have, and they'll still advertise it to where you can never say, oh yeah, this is my new car. Not at all. They got labels everywhere. Courtesy loaner, Rick Case Kia, Rick Case Kia. Man, oh man. Anyway, I'm just sitting here in the open lot near Rob's house. He's still asleep. And I kind of feel bad, waking him up, so I'm just sit out here waiting for a little bit. As you see, I really don't have much direction with this video today. I'm just sitting in the open lot with the loaner vehicle, just waiting to see how the day is gonna go.
3 hours later.
All right, so Rob finally woke up. That's what we got. Sliders, all that seasoning. Yes, sir. I'm gonna chime down some burgers today. Finished product.
No, not yet. Not yet.
No?
Not yet.
No? Okay.
Not yet. Just wait for it.
What's that sauce you put on there?
Don't worry, bro.
Yeah, he got the secret sauce. He got the secret sauce. Okay. Okay.
No face, no case.
Yo, the boy went crazy with the Parmesan. Oh! We're gonna turn this damn car vlog into food vlog. All right, let's try it. Valid. Hell yeah.
1 hour later.
Well, I promise you guys I'm gonna keep some ACURA content on the channel. So here we go. Owner, Mad Mike D-Knock. I believe this is a 2008 Type S. And it is wrapped in a nice army color green. And the house man ain't set the grass on fire right now. Look how tall the grass is, look how low the car is. That fitment though. I don't know what specs these wheels are, but he got a nice mild little stretch on the tire. Not too much, not too, you know, not rubber bandy type like I see a lot of people doing. But I like this, man. Got the shark mouth grille. Little Type S badge in the front. Got some aftermarket horns. You see, it's kept a pretty simple theme with this. You know, the army green with the purple little accents, and they got the purple valve caps right there. Black brake calipers. Kept the mirrors black. Carbon fiber spoiler. And the infamous endless RPM catback system. He even got the same suede dash cover that I used to have on mine. And I know you can't probably see in the camera, but he got purple diamond stitched endless RPM seat covers. So we can get it on this side over here. Nah, the tint's too dark. Custom headlights, I can't believe I missed those. But needs a little bit of restoration, no big deal. The hot, bright Florida sun destroys anything plastic, as we all know, for those who live here. Right now, I'm just waiting for him to come out, man. He just got out the shower, so I guess I got here a little quicker than he expected. But that's the boy's car, man. I want to hear Cold Star that exhaust system. I've not heard that exhaust system in person before, at least not from a Cold Star. I would definitely want to hear that thing, how it sounds. Man, I feel like I'm just advertising for the whole dealership right now, driving this big old billboard everywhere. This is actually his wife's car right here, Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a nice, beautiful red color. Just a random thing to mention right now. This is how you know this car goes through nothing but the auto washers. You see all the little marks from the brushes? Never clean the wheels right. That's why I don't like auto washers. It doesn't clean the car properly. It just does the bare minimum. Just spray some water out and just run the brush next to it. It doesn't do any kind of proper cleaning. But hey, it's a loaner. But there are people I know that do take the cars to auto washers, and over time, you start to get scratches and fades. Look at this. Like, it's kind of the same that has happened to my car. I've literally seen people's cars that get scratched, like on the roof or whatnot, from the auto wash. So that's also why I don't like using it. And also, if your car's ceramic coated, it's definitely not recommended to do so.
What's good, y'all? My name is Mike. IG, Mr._Boy_Mike_UA7. Yeah, I know it's a long IG name, but it is what it is. It's the 08 Type S. It's an auto. Lord willing, don't mind the herb.
Purple seats is nice though. I love
Appreciate it, bro. Got some more work to do to it. Stay tuned.
Yes, sir. Let's get that.
Sometime soon, we gotta do a Cold Star.
Let's do that Cold Star. Let's hear it.
Believe it or not, it's not that cold. I thought it was, but
Nah, I didn't know you already drove it. That's why.
I didn't drive it.
Oh,
Not because of the heat, but if you want, you can jump in, check it out.
all right. So let me get up in this bad boy for the first time in my life. Damn, yo, my navigation screen did the exact same thing.
Yeah,
Like the sun just killed it.
Gotta get a new one.
Oh yeah. Same dash cover I used to have. You sure you didn't buy it off me?
Huh?
You sure you didn't buy this cover off me? It's the exact same one that I had. over? Yes, I did. I sure did. Oh yeah.
Quick, easy route to go.
A quick, easy route, and it actually looks really good. You know, versus the little carpet one that they got. I'm loving this purple. Bro. This is fresh. Like now seeing in person.
Got some plans for the headliner too.
What are you gonna do with the headliner?
I want to do a purple suede.
Oh yeah, I see it's coming down right here.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cooked.
Yeah, they all do it. Mine did the same thing twice. 2 different TLs, obviously, but it's still something that they're known to do. Sound clip. Yes, sir. That's the endless RPM in the flush. All right, fast forward about 2 hours. We just went and got some food. It's a spot called Flanagan's. Really good spot for some nice American food. I just got off the phone with the Kia dealership. The car's ready, so I'm about to take that ride over there and pick it up and show you guys what had to be done. And you'll get to see the difference as to what it was. Maybe on camera it may not look as noticeable, but it definitely is. When I do the before and after, you should be able to see it. So let's ride. All right, so like I said, may not be noticeable to the naked eye, but these are now brand new. I thought they're just doing the ones in the back, but they did all of them. They did all the chrome that runs on the side of the doors and the trunk, which is pretty much matches the mirrors right here. And the gentleman that took care of me, this is what he upgraded from a Stinger to. Ram 1500 diesel. Beautiful, beautiful truck. I love the color, man. So shout out to Alex. Took care of everything for me. All the way down here in Sunrise. Rick Case Kia. I gotta show you guys a little more in depth as to what was done as well. Because as you probably now noticed, I don't have window visors anymore because they had to, replace all of this. So it wasn't just the ones on the trunk. They had to do the whole thing. So it turned out to lose the visors. But pretty good thing about it, this was a job that cost about $4,000 done under warranty, which obviously I didn't pay anything for it. So $50 to get brand new visors again. Really can't complain, can I? But anyway, this is just gonna about do it for this video. Thank you guys for joining along. I'm about to take this road trip all the way back to Kissimmee, about 2.5, almost 3 hours, depending on the traffic. Hopefully it's not too bad. I know this video was kind of like a little all over the place. This is one of those. I'm just gonna take a day to go run my errands and just turn the camera on and see what it comes out. So here it is. You got a random day in the life vlog of a YouTuber. So anyway, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for checking out the videos. Please like, share, subscribe if you're new. And see you guys soon. Out of the road to take this 3-hour drive. So no vlogging, no texting, no vlogging while driving. So take care, everybody, and stay safe. Later.
Who I am.